5-Minute Digger Tales, Seaside Rocks, published by Igloo Books. The JCB team were enjoying a day off at the sunny seaside. Joey had never been to the seaside before, and he was super excited. "Come on, team!" shouted Joey. "Let's have some fun!" Joey looked around the beach. There was so much to do. What should I do first? Thought Joey. He couldn't decide. Everything looked so much fun. Joey joined Larry and Doug in the sea, but the waves splashed his wheels and water sprayed in his eyes. He didn't like it, so he went to see Roxy at the rock pool. Then a crab crawled out and made Joey jump with surprise. Joey was determined to have fun. He parked next to Dan on the sandy beach, but because he was wet, sand got in his engine and gears. "The seaside isn't as fun as I thought it would be," moaned Joey. Joey decided to go home. As he drove away from the beach, he noticed a big sign. "Wow! Now that looks fun," thought Joey, and he changed his mind and whizzed back to the beach. Joey was finally having fun at the seaside. The sign had been for a sandcastle building competition, and with a little help from his construction buddies, Joey was having lots of seaside fun building the biggest, best sandcastle ever. The end.